Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I built this app. It is an AI sales role play pro. So it's essentially for sales individuals that want to role play and they don't have somebody to role play with. They can just use AI to interact with the application, to handle objections, and to just go back and forth to become better at rebattling and handling objections. Okay. So I'm just going to, this should be a short video, and I'm going to show you a course that I took that actually helped me build this faster. I am not at the stage to send it to production, but right now I'm at a stage that it is working. I just have to package it. I need to add paywall, and I also need to put a integration in the database. But that should be the next step. Right now, again, this is the proof of concept, but I want you to see it, make sure how it works, okay? So I'm just gonna go through the instructions here, how to use. You select a voice. So in this case, it's either Luna or Arcas. I'm gonna go with Luna, and then I'm gonna make another video with Arcas. You choose the scenario that you want to practice. You will play the role of a prospect. So I should be the prospect. The AI is the sales individual, which is going to handle objections for me. I'm going to raise objections to the sales pitch to see how the AI handles the situation. And then I'm going to learn, a few techniques from the AI based on how objections are being handled. Okay. So my sales individual is Luna. I can do two roles. So I could do just ask objections, or I can actually role play me being, let's say, a business owner that wants to buy marketing services. Okay. So let's just get started. And I'm just going to click here on, this is the scenario. So right now you can see that I cannot click play here because I haven't selected my scenario. It tells you here, please select the scenario to continue. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue here, digital marketing services. And then I'm going to click here and I'm going to ask it, hey, I want to practice some handling of some objections. So you will see it, how it works. So hopefully I had it recorded in my system. So hopefully it comes across, and let's get it. Hey Luna, how you doing? I would like to practice some objections, please.
Hi there, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I'd be glad to help you practice handling objections. Feel free to present any scenario or objection you have in mind, and let's work through it together. What's your first objection?
Okay, I was trying to sell some marketing services, and the prospect told me that he was already working for a competitor. I'm sorry. Correct. Yeah, he was working for a competitor.
Got it. Thanks for clarifying. In this case, you could say, that's great to hear that you're already prioritizing your marketing efforts. How is that partnership working out for you so far? We often find that businesses benefit from fresh insights and strategies. If you're open to it, we'd be glad to offer a complimentary audit to see if there are any additional opportunities to boost your results. This way, you show interest in their current strategy while positioning yourself as a helpful alternative. Would you like to practice another objection?
Yes. Normally, in these type of services, whenever the prospect don't understand, they'll normally tell you, hey, your product is too expensive for our budget.
Budget concerns are quite common. In response, you might say, I completely understand how budget is a crucial factor. Could you share more about your specific budget concerns? Our approach is to tailor strategies that maximize your return on investment. We aim to make each dollar invested come back multiplied through carefully tracked and targeted marketing efforts. Would you be open to discussing budget-friendly options that align with your goals? This helps pinpoint their specific concerns and offers reassurance of value. Anything else you'd like to practice?
Not for now. Just give me 1 second.
Of course, take your time. If you have any more objections or scenarios you'd like to work on afterward, just let me know. I'm here to help.
Awesome. So right now, as you can see, it is super interactive. I was just throwing it some objections to see how it handle. And based on that, I'm learning as a sales rep. If I'm a sales rep, again, this would be just catered to sales reps. I'm going to see if there's any other features that I can add. But as of now, that is the goal of these. Now I'm going to ask it to role play for me, and I'm going to act as a client, and she's going to be the sales rep. So let's try that out. Hey, Luna, Right now, I want to do role play. I want to act as a client that is looking for marketing services, and you are the marketing service provider. I am an owner of a tree service company, so please go ahead and start with the conversation.
Sure, let's dive in. Hello, it's great to meet you. I understand you have a tree service company and are interested in enhancing your marketing efforts. Could you share more about your business goals and what you're looking to achieve with digital marketing?
Sure, Luna. Thank you so much. So right now, I own a tree service company. I've been in business for around 1 year. Most of the clients that I have right now are coming from referrals, but I have not done any marketing so far, and I want to be able to get more calls and just grow my business in the next 5 years.
That's a fantastic goal. Since referrals have been working well for you, we can certainly build on that by increasing your online presence to attract more customers. For starters, optimizing your website and creating a strong Google business profile can enhance your visibility. Implementing targeted social media marketing and local search optimization will also help attract more calls and expand your client base. Does that align with your growth plans?
That's what I want to do, but would you elaborate a little bit more about what that means? I'm not really savvy in marketing, so if you can just break it down for me, that would be great.
Absolutely, I'd be happy to break it down. We start with website optimization, ensuring your site is easy to find, user-friendly, and contains the right keywords so it shows up in relevant searches. Next, a Google Business Profile makes it easier for local customers to find and contact you directly through search results. We also use social media ads targeting people in your area who are likely to need tree services. This all works together to drive more interest and calls your way. How does that sound to you?
Sounds great. Do you have any specific steps that you like to continue to make it happen?
Certainly. First, we'll conduct a free audit of your current online presence to identify strengths and opportunities. Then, we'll optimize your website and set up or enhance your Google business profile. Next, we'll develop targeted social media and search advertising campaigns. We'll keep you updated with regular reports to show progress and ensure everything aligns with your goals. Would you like to schedule a time to discuss this in more detail?
Yes, but that sounds like a lot. I don't know if I have the budget for all that stuff that you just mentioned. Is it going to be too expensive, or like where do we start? I want to start like baby steps, little by little.
I completely understand wanting to ease into this while being mindful of your budget. We can certainly take a phased approach, starting with the most impactful steps like optimizing your Google business profile and running basic local ads. This way, we'll start seeing results without a significant upfront investment. As your business grows, we can expand our efforts to include more services. How does that sound as a starting point?
I love it. I would love to know more about the audit that you mentioned. Does that cost anything?
I'm glad to hear you're interested. The audit is completely free of charge. It's a comprehensive review of your current online presence, including your website, search visibility, and social media standing. The insights from the audit will help us tailor our recommendations to what will benefit your business the most. Would you like to schedule a time for us to conduct this audit and review the results together?
Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
I'm excited to get started on this with you. Let's find a convenient time for you to go over the audit together. I'll send you a link to schedule a call or meeting. If you have any other questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out. Looking forward to helping your business grow.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. I'm here to help anytime. Looking forward to our collaboration and the success ahead for your business. Have a great day.
All right. So you saw that happening. It is just crazy. This is all AI enabled. You're going to have a conversation with, this is a marketing expert. You can actually have a role play with a SaaS, coaching consultant, and enterprise solutions. So I'm super happy. This was done like within a day. I mean, I've been doing research about what APIs to handle and things like that. But I built this. This was last night. I was pretty much optimizing it today to get it to this point. I'm still trying to figure out the next steps, which is, user authentication and all that good stuff. But I could tell you that what helped also was a course that I took, and I'm gonna show you that in a minute. I want to give you more details about this AI sales role play Pro. You can actually come here to the backstage, and it actually has all the conversation and the interactions of what I had with the sales rep, in this case, Luna. So you can see all the answers when the prospect started speaking, when the sales rep started speaking and he answered, everything like that. And I'm also able to export this transcript. So just look at it here. And like you can see here, the AI sales role play conversation history. This is all the history. Again, these are features that I'm just adding to see if maybe somebody's interested, if this is going to be useful for sales reps or SDRs or closers or whatever. But I don't know. I'm super excited about this. This is the person that I've been following. He's called Mark Liu from Chip Fast. He's actually has like over, I think it's 20 something SaaS applications as a solopreneur, and I actually bought his course, which is called Code Fast. It's super inexpensive and he has a lot of information in it. I'm already a little bit experienced, so I didn't have to go through the whole course, but I will leave the link below. And again, it's $2.99. It actually gives you the code repo, pretty much the structure of what the code should look like. So, and you see previous videos about me where you have, the cursor AI, you have the structure of all the files. So he gives you access to that repo. This is the course itself. So you can actually, depending right now, like I did 90 of 20 stacks. It's super detailed. So I kind of saw the ones that I needed. In this case, it's like your first SaaS. That would be for me. And that's pretty much what I'm going through. That's something that I would recommend. It's a one-time investment. $2.99 is super inexpensive compared to you go to school trying to get a 4-year degree, and it actually gives you tons of information in this community. It breaks down, like, if you can see here, the videos are like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, depending on the chapter or the module that you're in. But again, I've been following this guy for a while until I got his course. Highly recommended. I'm super excited about this. I really want to launch it, but I need, to get to the next steps. It's kind of scary because it's like, okay, how do I do the next step? But now that I have these, I want to actually take it to the market, make sure that it's secure and things like that. But again, I'm just sharing this with you because this is what is possible with AI. This is what is possible with somebody, a mentor that has done it before. This is what is possible with a course, which is super inexpensive. You can actually stop going for dinner for like 2 weekends, and you can actually buy this just 1 weekend, depending on how hard you party. But again, I don't know. I'm super excited about this. I'm gonna create more videos about what I'm finding out about other tools that I'm gonna be using. And that's it. I hope you like this. I really love this interaction. I wanted to get into voice AI because I think that is the next step. I think that I can use these for answering calls from, either call centers or either agencies that don't have the time, or even just small businesses that don't have the time, that are, let's say, working outside, that are always like, let's say, roofers and things like that, have a AI agent that can answer the questions, handle it for them, and perhaps send the transcript of the conversations, or even book a call for them. So again, sky's the limit. This is what I've been experiencing. This is what I've been seeing. This is what my mind is kind of spinning with right now, trying to get more ideas, see how I can interact with these better and how I can add more value to businesses and whoever can use this application. Again, I don't know. I'm kind of out of words. I'm speechless. This is super amazing. I hope you saw the value here. Again, don't give up on your dreams. Kind of don't think outside the box. Think like there is no box. And again, sky's the limit. Keep on trying. I would recommend, again, taking this course. I'm going to put the link below. And that's it. See you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.